Select Music Library, click on the button Music Library to open the library, and you will see the library is still empty. We want to add the files listed in the test MP3 folder, but before we're gonna add them, we will change the names in some more meaningful names. We go back to the Explorer, click on Rename, and now we're gonna select the template Music Files, already defined, and the music template will use A, the song title, B, the artist, and C, the name of the album. So in this case, Videophone, Beyoncé, and the title of the album. We're gonna click on Rename, and we'll see it's okay, so we click OK. We don't have to undo it. Click on Close, and you will see that all the files listed in the MP3 folder are neatly renamed to more meaningful names. Next, we're gonna click and select Ctrl A, go back to the music library, and we click on the Add Music Files. And you will see the files are neatly entered into the database, and we will click on the artist Beyoncé, we click on the album, and we see all the songs listed in the album. If you want to play them, click on the play button, and immediately the Windows MP3 player will be opened, and you will see you can play the songs within FolderViewer. And that's, I think, quite a neat feature. We're gonna close and stop the music, close the player. You can add, of course, other music files. You can update the music files listed in the library if some properties have been changed. You can export the selected files to Excel, for instance, HTML, text, or XML. You can, of course, remove them from the database and the hard disk, but you will be prompted if you want to remove them from the hard disk as well. You can create a playlist, and the playlist is still using the more advanced Windows Media Player. Even in Windows 10, it's advised to use that. You can sort to album, artist and album, to artist, to genre and album, to album and year and album. So now you have the groupings on, for instance, the year 2009, and the albums. In this case, the album was listed of Beyoncé, and the greatest hit released in 2008. Suppose a song has lyrics. You can show the lyrics of the current song, and you can print them. And it's quite a neat feature. But you can use the words in the lyrics. For instance, let's use the word thirst. So if you don't know the title of the song, you can look and search for a certain word, and you see, okay, now you have found the song using one of the phrases from the lyrics. You can, of course, play them again. So if you've forgotten the song title, you can still use, if you remember a word in the song, you can still search the song using one of the phrases from the lyrics, and that's, I think, quite a neat feature. You can play the songs automatically. If you select the auto, you just have to click them, and immediately the songs are played in the player. Switch them off. You can have a look at the properties, the details. You can change the properties, and of course, when you have changed one of the properties, you have to use the update music files to update the files listed in the database, and then the properties listed here in the record of the database will be updated immediately, of course. Blessing Help will show this video on the internet.